Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how you can change Shein account password. Now to do that, what you need to do is open the Shein application and then get logged in into the account of yours. Now once you are logged in, you need to go and tap on me on the bottom right to go to your profile, tap that. On the profile, you go and tap on the setting icon on the top right, tap that. And the setting icon, click on manage my account, tap on it. In the manage your account page, you will find the option of change password. You tap that. For you to change your password, you need to type in the old password and then type in the new password. So on the old password text box, you type in the previous password or the old password of your account. Then to the new password, you type in the new password, the updated one. Then confirm the password by retyping the same password as above. Then tap on submit. Now once that's done, the password change process will be completed and you have updated your Shein account password right here. So this is a way how you can easily change Shein account password. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.